How do we approach this as a meditation? 3 simple steps. The first step in today's meditation is to acknowledge our bondage, is to acknowledge what keeps us, what holds us on the ground, what doesn't let us move to the sky, and why are we held to the ground, which is our body and our mind. So while we are sitting in meditation, while we are sitting in awareness, we will first of all acknowledge our body, acknowledge our mind, and just remain aware of what's going on in the body, what's going on in the mind, and feel the limitation that is there of being in the body and all these mental patterns that keep on repeating and keeping us in the loop of all this wedding planning and all other kinds of planning, constant repetition and constant pulling us in a bondage. We will remain aware of that, we'll become aware of that as step number 1. Step number 2, acknowledging and becoming aware of our path to freedom, which is our awareness. In step number 2, we will move away from the body, away from the mind, not worry about what the body is doing, not worry about what the mind is doing. If your body has pain, it wants to move, it's okay. If your mind is still going on and go on and on and on and going crazy, it's still okay. All you will do is remain aware of the awareness. Remain aware of the awareness itself. It's very important that you understand what this means. You remain aware of the awareness itself, that when you're having your eyes closed, your awareness and attention and focus and concentration, everything is on just this one fact, ability, quality that you have in your consciousness, which is to be aware. Just remain with it, not with the body, not with the mind, but just with awareness. And then the third step, which is moving towards Nirvana, in the meditation session, in this meditation practice, what this means is you will move into silence. You will drop all the processes, you will drop all your focus, all your attention. You'll move even further away from the body, even further away from the mind, and just go deep into silence. Let yourself go as deep into silence as possible, without trying to hold yourself back because of your body, because of your mind. Leave the body behind, leave the mind behind, go deep in silence, in inner silence. You all have it in you. All you need to do is to leave the body behind, leave the mind behind, and go disappear in the silence for a few minutes.